Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this beautiful scissor waterfall braid hairstyle. Here we go.
Take a thick section from above the ear and divide it into 4 equal strands. Now put the corner section between the middle one, creating top and bottom strands. Take a thin section from the hairline and place it between the top and bottom strands. Now take bottom strand and split it into 2 equal sections. Put the top section between 2 splitted sections. Take a thin section from the hairline and place it between the top and bottom strands. Tell your partner to hold the falling strands. Now take bottom strand and split it into 2 equal sections. Put the top section between the 2 splitted sections. Repeat the process. This is a very cool half-up hairstyle. You can easily carry this hairstyle with denim, skirts, gowns and whatnot so on. This hairstyle barely took 5 to 7 minutes to create. You can easily make this hairstyle when you are running late. You can make it diagonally or in a straight line. When you're done with the last thin section, make a small 3-strand braid and clip it under the hair. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.